Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Troll token. Now there's been a lot of Troll tokens in the past, but this one is getting a whole bunch of central exchange listings. It's an ERC20 token, and it just got a brand new central exchange listing today on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this new Troll token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So name of the token is Troll. Ticker symbol is Troll. It's an Ethereum token, so don't get it confused with other tokens that exist. I'm sure there's Troll tokens. One I believe was called Trollface, had the same profile picture. And then there was another one having to do with trolls, same profile picture. But just be aware, this one is just Troll, name of the token, and Troll ticker symbol, and is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 16th at 14 hours UTC time. The Troll token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Troll, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this is an Ethereum token. They already have a ton of holders, so a lot of people probably got this already off of Uniswap and other exchanges. Like I said, it already got other exchange listings as well. This might be one of the biggest exchange listings so far, though, the Mexc Global one. But right now they have 10,149 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. And their Etherscan says there is a max total supply of 960,420,000,000,000 tokens. So you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Troll coin using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, troll.run. Now you may have to set slippage. Actually, it says 0 taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. Now, if you didn't understand what I just said, on their webpage, troll.run, there is a how to buy section where they even tell you how to create a wallet, a MetaMask wallet, and then get some ETH, go to Uniswap, switch ETH for Troll. They go step by step through there on their webpage. So yeah, no taxes. Tokenomics are pretty simple. It says 93.1% go to the liquidity pool. So, yeah, a lot of the tokens are just right to the liquidity pool. It doesn't specify what the rest is for. I assume, you know, marketing, development, team, that type of stuff, but it doesn't really specify the rest. Maybe it does somewhere else. They don't really have a white paper either that I could see. They do have an Instagram at TrollERC20. They have a Telegram at TrollZE Internet. So Troll Z Internet, that's a weird Telegram, but you can find that linked on the Twitter right here. That's real easy to find. And then their Twitter at ERC20 Trolls. So those are the 3 socials. No white paper or anything like that. Very much just a meme token. And their roadmap is basically Troll is phase 1. Phase 2, Troll and HODL. Phase 3 is Troll Takeover. So basically they're doing the token launch, then CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, over 1,000 holders. They already have over 10,000 holders. Then they say get Troll trending on Twitter with our memetic power, and that is the end of their roadmap. So it's not a very extensive roadmap either. So it says Troll Coin is a meme-breaking cryptocurrency that embraces the spirit of internet culture. With our strong community and renounced contract, it aims to bring laughter and fun. Join us on this exciting journey to becoming one of the top meme coins available on thy internet. There's a tweet from Elon Musk. It says CTO Chief Troll Officer. I do believe there was a token called CTO Chief Troll Officer on Pink Sale that I saw. I don't know how well that token did, but this one seems to be doing amazing. Now they have the contract address right on the Twitter right there. It says Troll is the #1 meme in the world. Join the Troll army now. Then you can check out their Telegram. So their Telegram has 4,780 subscribers. And it's basically Troll Z Internet spelled out is the name of their Twitter. So let's troll Z Internet. Pretty goofy, but pretty hilarious. Now, they do have a DEX tools chart if you want to see how well the token's doing. That's available on their webpage, troll.run. And that's in the top right-hand corner of their webpage. And the cool thing about DEX tools is they have some audits on there. Now, let me just scroll down in their Twitter here. They just got a brand new central exchange listing today on Bitmart as well. So that's another central exchange listing. They also got listed yesterday on CoinEx Global. So I do have a CoinEx Global referral code down there in the description box as well. You can check that out as well. Very low fees on CoinEx Global and Mexc Global compared to other exchanges. That's why I like those two. And CoinW, it got listed on CoinW. It got listed on HTX. It got listed where I'm sure there's tons more. Like this token is getting listed all over the place. But those are some big ones in the last day or two. Poloniex. So there's another one there. Maybe even, I thought I saw LBank too. Maybe LBank. Might have been a different troll token got listed on LBank. XT, it got listed on XT.com. Almost everywhere it's listed, except I don't know if it's on the big ones yet, like Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase, but some of these are very big, like definitely Mexc Global has what is like 8, 9, 10 million users or something like that. But yeah, so lots and lots of central exchanges. You can scroll through their Twitter and see all the updates of all their new listings. I'm sure there'll be more to come in the future as well. So let's get to the DEX tools chart. So they say that right now the market cap is $99.68 million. Doing very well. Liquidity, $2.49 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap. 24-hour trading volume, $32,190. And let's just scroll down here. So it does have 2 alerts in their audit here. So let's check out what. So they have a token sniffer, Go Plus, Happy, and Quick Intel audit. Now, if you scroll down, it says here, there is a warning on the anti-whale mechanism. So just be aware of that. And Quick Intel has a warning on max sell ratio, but the other ones don't. And so that's it. Just basically anti-whale and max sell ratio for just one of the audits. So nothing crazy on there, but always be aware of the warnings. Do your own research. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about the Troll token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.